Yesterday, I explored a new niche for my Facebook followers who want to start AI content creation journey. You can start with this new content, brand new content, because this type content never exists on any platform. You can easily work with this content and you can get views. Obviously, you can get views and you can earn money from any platform like Instagram, like Facebook, and like TikTok and any platform. Also Snapchat have a program like monetization program. And how to earn money from Instagram. Lots of people don't know how to earn from Instagram. If you visit this type AI content page, you will see their content. Look, the views, amount of views they generate always. So you can earn money from like sponsor, like brand deals, and like you can sell something, any products, or you can sell, like you can sell the image prompt. You can sell this prompt also. You can sell this prompt on Instagram. If you visit this type AI content page, you will see their link. You will see their bio and see they have they added a link. Also, they have a Telegram channel, and also they have like any. Let's see this. Look, they have also subscription program. Also, they donate. You can donate those pages. You can, and then you can earn money from this type, this way. Also, they have a Telegram channel. Maybe sell something, any products or something like that. Look, they have a good audience, good amount of audience, almost 3K audience, 192K any audience subscriber. So you can earn money from any platform like Instagram, TikTok, uh, same process. You don't need to depend on monetization program. So let's make the tutorial. First of all, you have to see our AI videos, our new niche. First, we have to watch. So see the tiger running, then I think the bulls, then elephants. So you can make this type of content very easily with my script template. I will give the script template on description. Check the video description or comment box. You will see this uh, prompt. So how you make this type of AI content? First of all, you have to copy the script. Just copy and go to ChatGPT. Obviously, there is no other way. And paste the prompt template and tell ChatGPT this time will be the what should I add? This time will be the big snack or big lion. Will be the big lion on man behind. And enter. I just say this time will be the lion will be the big lion on man behind. So see, a digital photograph captured a young man taking a selfie while running terror down dusty forest path. Behind him, a roaring lion with a wild mane is charging is a full speed, kicking a cloud of dust. The camera is fixed in self-style image, so you can consistent with your footage always because it's self-style image, and you will generate the same videos like that. Look, self-style, almost same man, almost same character. Look, nothing difference. Just copy the script and go to any platform. You can generate image on here because you generate three image on ChatGPT. If you have a 4 5 6 account, you can generate three image per account. So I will generate the first image on here, or if you need another image, you can say just ChatGPT, copy the script template, and tell ChatGPT again, make it now, with big snake, just say. So now giant snake or big snake, which one should I use? I like the first one. So another content ready. First of all, we add big lion. Now we add big snake. You can make another one, like you can say now make same chart. Use always the same chart. Just rename the chart name, and always use this chart when you work this content. I can tell you, you can get views this type of AI content, and obviously you can earn from any platform. And I will prefer to you can work with uh, Instagram, because nobody takes seriously Instagram when they work on TikTok. I mean, when they work with AI content. If you use Instagram for this type of AI content, I hope you will get something. So let's back the tutorial. Now just follow the same process. Next time you can say now 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 will be the big, which should I if you don't know the animal name like me, big animal, dangerous animal list. Okay, this time we will add which one, wolf. Human is dangerous animal. Wow, I will use this. It's a unique one. Let's pack the chart GPT. It's a big, yeah. So here is another content ready, another image prompt ready, because we need a just one image or two image for our per video. If you work with 50-second video, you can use three prompt or three image. Or if you need a consistent, if you need a 1 minute video, then you have to generate almost which almost 10 to 15 image you need for 1 minute videos. Same process, just follow the same process. Just tell the chat GPT now will be the uh, big tiger, big something, any animals. Just check, take the name. Okay, now how to make image. Now we need a image, and how to create image. You can use Leonardo AI, ideogram, piclumen, and any AI website for image generation, but I will choose ChatGPT because I have a premium subscription. Or also you can create image, three image per account, free account. I mean, you can create three image per account, free version on ChatGPT. So first of all, we have to copy the script, image from, and I will tell you ChatGPT to make the image, make it image, generate the image, generate the image. I have to wait. Same process. You can create another one. Just copy this and paste it and paste on any AI website like ideogram. Let's check the ideogram result. Wait, ideogram or Leonardo AI, Leonardo AI cross Facebook. Okay, let's check ideogram Leonardo AI results. We don't need this. Same process, just you have to copy and paste. And this is the prompt. What should I need? self study image content. I think the wait, I have to fix the wait. Okay, waiting. We are waiting our result. We are waiting for our image generation. Wow, snag. This is so cool. We can use this image for video creation. Just download the image. Let's check our linear AI result. Wow, it's not a bad, I think. Look. Wow. This one is good. No. This one too much. I will if I choose the I will choose this one. Okay, you can use, see, you can use linear AI also if you don't have ChatGPT. So don't no worry. So download. Now tell the ChatGPT give me the script. Now tell the ChatGPT give me the clean AI video from based on this. Okay, I will receive clean AI video from. Okay, look at that. Now our clean AI video prompt ready. Your prompt ready, your image ready, your clean AI video prompt ready. Just you need a clean AI subscription, or if you have any other premium website like which one should I tell? You can use any website for video creation. No worry. So I will go clean AI. Let's open the clean AI. You can start with this content because it's easy to make and it's unique one. Next time you will tell ChatGPT now make it like African jungle attack on this man. It's also a unique version we will receive. So you can choose this. No worry. The first of all, clean AI. Wow. If you don't have any idea, I mean, you need an idea for AI content creation, you can visit this clean AI. Clean AI. You can visit clean AI video from. I mean, video section. First of all, look, I work last night. I worked with this. So first of all, we need to add our image, or you can copy, drag and drop your image. First of all, so I will choose the first image, and I just enter the image on AI, and now you need a video from. Just back on ChatGPT, copy this and paste it on here, and generate the image. And wait few seconds, maybe 10 minutes or 2 minutes. I need just 2 minutes for this, and you have to wait 2 minutes. Also you can generate AI voice on here because clean AI have an option on how to make automatically you can create AI voice, I mean AI sound effect. So we have to wait 2 minutes for this. Then I will open CapCut. Let's make the CapCut. Okay, I will edit on here, no worry. Same I will add same desktop. Okay, I have a sound effect also. Let's wait for our first image generation. So same process, just follow the process every time. This is too easy to make AI content, you know. Don't worry, brother. I I have a lots of idea for you. No worries. Or if you want to learn more secret topics or more AI content creation, you can take admission for our course. Understand? Promotion, brother. 30 second. We need a 30 second. We need a 30 second. Wait. We need a 30 second, maybe 20 second, maybe 10 second, maybe 5 second. You can start, brother. You can start. Look. Oh my god. I need help. So how to create a sound effect? Just click here and see the analyze. The clean AI analyze your footage, and then they give you the sound effect prompt. So now just generate the image. Sorry, generate the sound effect. Just click here and wait 3 seconds, 30 seconds, and you will receive 4 version of sound effect. You can easily make videos without any copyright issue. So you don't need too much sound effect for other platform. You can use AI sound effect for your content. Understand? Our second one ready, third one ready, fourth one ready. We have to wait for first one. So let's check the sound effect. Wow. Let's check the second one. Snake sound missing. And so I think the first one is perfect. Just download and just drag and drop. Okay, just drag and drop. So just choose 90:60 ratio, adjust the image footage. Now add man screaming effect. You can search on CapCut man scream. I mean, use this sound effect for your content. Also add extract the word, extract this voice, copy this and paste it on here, and increase the sound effect, the snake sound effect, because the missing the missing here the sound effect missing. See, now see. Okay, I have to decrease the sound effect, the main screaming. Choose same and done. Your editing done. See, so easy to make AI content. Look. Okay, let's watch our content. So this is the process making of AI content. So I hope you like it, and if you like, please share this video and follow my ID, follow my page, and join my group. Also, if you want to take admission from admission our paid course, you can DM me, or also you can DM me on WhatsApp. No worries. I have to I have to do something promotion, brother. Okay, brother. Take care, and I will make another tutorial. Enjoy the process.